Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily voice type in your browser using your mic over your devices. And it's a free process. You don't even require to sign in over anywhere, or you don't need any third-party application or software. It's a website that you can use over any browser. So just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for dictation.io. You can see the right spelling over there. Once you write this URL, just simply hit enter and be very precise with the URL. Here you have to just simply hit launch dictation, and once you do that, it may ask you for the mic permissions, and it will see here, it will ask you for the permissions, and now it will start the dictation, and write whatever I see on the whatever I see say on the mic, and once I'm satisfied with it, just simply hit stop, and whatever you said have been written right in front of you. You can just simply hit copy or save or publish or do it, or do whatever you want to do with it. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.